Hey everyone, I'm CNC Sean, and in this video we're going to cut some MDF doors on the ISA. Now what we've done is grabbed a couple jobs my company's already cut. We've got some slab door and drawer fronts, we've got some shaker panels in there, as well as some beaded doors we designed out in mosaic. We've got a bunch of tools we had to load up. You're going to see the carousel, how quickly it changes everything, how efficiently everything gets done, as well as the machine loading the material, cutting it, unloading it. So all I really got to do is stand at the end, wait for parts to come off and separate it out. So why don't we get started with it? Well, there you have it. We got the job cut. Doors turned out great. And this is exactly what my client wanted. It's something unique, something different that they've got in their kitchen. Having mosaic in there, being able to design something out really quick and easy is also a big key, nice plus to have. As far as this machine goes, I love the efficiency of it. You know, we could set a whole bunk of material back there if we needed, cut the whole job. I can be nearby, come over, unload what's on the conveyor, put it into the parts carts, and off we go. It just makes everything more efficient, quicker, It also reduces labor. So all a big plus in a shop. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you got any questions, give us a call or check us out at shopsabre.com. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.